Keeping your name in front of your clients is huge and easier than ever to do today. But I find so many agencies don't do it. Get their email addresses and send them a monthly email just to say hello. So I want to talk about 3 things you can do right now that are going to bump your retention, like today. There's a lot of things with retention that you needed to do a year ago, 2 years ago at the point of sale. But I want to talk about today. What do we have going on today? So the first thing I always say is, do you have a process to stop someone from canceling? So someone calls in, so they want to cancel. What does that look like? Who takes the call? What do we say? Do we offer a remarket? Do we get a copy of the policy? And a lot of agents fight me on this, but I say, your process can be to get a copy of the policy. The client doesn't know that the new carrier doesn't need that. So you might have an agency process. And if they really fight you, they don't want to send it, then you just say, okay, I'll document your file. But getting a copy of that policy allows you then to show coverage gaps and fight for the policy. Most people want to be fought for. So if your agency doesn't have a documented how to stop a cancellation process, that's a huge first step. I listen to a lot of recorded phone calls and most people will just say something along the lines of like, oh, I understand it's cheaper, times are tight, and we keep moving on. That's not a great way to stop cancellations. Next up is things that you can do right now today is really go ahead and make sure you're giving wow customer service. I hear a lot of agents say, well, we give good customer service. And then I'll say, okay, so how do you know? One, what do you do? And nobody can answer the questions. It's like a feeling. But you really need to want to match what you're doing to what the customer expects. So that would be polling your customers, training your team on customer service. I can't tell you how many agencies don't do that. So instead we email or we use gruff language or not being problem solvers, or we don't know how to disarming a ticking time bomb with an upset client. So good service is, the definition is returning a phone call, doing what the client asks. That's not good customer service. I could argue that, we need to be even ridiculously amazing and have great customer service. The third thing I always tell people is you also have to stay in front of your client. So they may leave because they don't know that you have other options. So this means, our thing is renewal review calls, but if that's not on the docket for you, how about just an email to them every month? Happy St. Patrick's Day, happy Valentine's Day, summer safety tips. Keeping your name in front of your clients is huge and easier than ever to do today. But I find so many agencies don't do it. Get their email addresses and send them a monthly email just to say hello. But when they remember you exist, if they're on EFT or pay in full, they see their carrier name coming out of their bank account, not necessarily your agency name. So if they want to cancel or they shop around or they think that you're just giving them the best, this is a huge gap that you're missing out on. So it's inexpensive. It takes about a half hour of time every month to put together, and I'm going to recommend it to your agencies. So this is our tips for stopping cancellations right now. And that's going to definitely help bump your retention. Let us know if you've got any questions, but we're excited to help anybody who needs help with their retention.